everyone, my name is Chanchui Khayi and I'm the new Miss Spring 2019. Actually, that's mutually we're trying to spread more awareness about and trying to get as much support for the ministry that the Voice of Thuikahai is trying to spread. They're trying to spread ministry through music, sharing gospel music and singing and giving praises to the Lord. And they're also trying to show Christian movies, and also they're using the sports, through sports they're also trying to glorify the name of the Lord and spread His word. So I would request everyone to come and support, whether it's the youth or the children. Everyone please, don't be like it was on the raw and take a big time on last thing raw I'm going to say
TVT week, but tonight not to do problem for today. You will mean to solve it away. In our TVT week, sport ministry coordinator summit today. At you TVT sport ministry in Thailand in the week, it will come to a sport you made a Katada, Rishi, Millie, Kiran Subsidiary with the That is as you let cycle issue TVT sport ministry Iram, Rumisero, Ram Misero, Church Pingulu, Color Chronos, National Women, the Pala and sport ministry TVT and official support the don't